Introducing the future of air cleaning system. Volatile organic compounds get cleaned by plasma. Are you tired of inefficient pollution air cleaning methods like heavy burners? It's time for a revolutionary approach. Does your company deal with significant air pollution like adhesives or waste incarnations? How do you comply with strict government rules? Don't rely on outdated practice anymore. Embrace plasma air cleaning. Plasma generated by high voltage frequencies ignites plasma oxidation, a powerful chemical process. With my breakthrough controlling design, you can achieve efficient air cleaning and say goodbye to the wasteful energy. Our extensive research lays the foundation of automated air cleaning. Ongoing research is essential for optimal results. Together, we can pave the way for an environmentally friendly, energy-efficient future. Partner with UMTech institution to tackle your air pollution challenges. Embrace plasma air cleaning for a cleaner, greener tomorrow. UMTech, the Institution for Environmental and Process Engineering, leading innovative air cleaning solutions.